This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix App Store stuck on loading screen problem on iPhone. So if you're not able to download any app from App Store because your App Store is loading, just follow these quick steps to fix this issue. The first solution is make sure to turn on your internet connection and use a strong internet connection. You can switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi, and then check the issue and then open your recent apps, and here force close your App Store, then relaunch App Store and then check the issue. The second solution is turn off content and privacy restriction. Go to settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, turn off, disable content and privacy restriction, and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Open your settings and tap on general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your App Store stuck on loading screen problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.